Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Morvay, and I'm back once again with another banger video. Now, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, in today's video, we are going to be getting the brakes painted on the Chrysler 300. Right now, I am on the way to get that done. It's currently Friday, April something, I don't even know. Friday, and it's 7:36 a.m. Typically I would be doing this, like I'd be the one painting the brakes so that y'all can see like how it's done, but I do have work today and tomorrow and the next day and the day after, and so my grandpa told me that he wanted to do it for me, so shout out to my papa. He's gonna do it for me. So right now I'm on the way to his house. I do have the stuff that I need to get it done. I will show y'all that in a little bit, but yeah, I figured I'd pick y'all up and bring y'all along with me because y'all are a part of this whole car journey. So let's get it.
Chicken sandwich did not say grill on there at all. So he can say whatever he wants.
What'd you decide to do about your
My rims? I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Hey, gotta look older, was a young flexer. Hey. You know that it's a go, cause my jacket checker. Hey. Pop one pill with it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to meet my ancestors. Put up on the block, it's hot flaming Chester. Yes, sir.
Alright, y'all, so I got a few clips. I showed y'all what stuff I bought. I showed y'all my papa taking off the brake thingies, the calipers, hanging them up so he can clean them and paint them. And then I showed y'all the big Nissan truck. I don't like Nissan trucks, but yeah, this is the V for the day because I'm on the way to work. I just noticed I ain't gonna have no CarPlay. I don't even think I'm gonna have aux. This is just getting crazy. But yeah, I'm on the way to work. So I will update y'all throughout my day. And let's get this big truck on the road. She got some power to her though. Oh, y'all got my video on my girl to 1.2K right now, so I appreciate all of y'all. If y'all do want to see more of her on this channel, just comment down below and say more couple related videos. And yeah. Alright, y'all, so your boy is finally on the way, not home from work, but on the way to pick up the car now. My grandpa said he did finish the brakes. He did send me some pictures and it was looking pretty good. The traffic is pretty bad on this road. I am indeed in the Nissan truck right now on Capitol Boulevard. But yeah, so once we get there, I will do the reveal of the painted brake calipers, and then I gotta go do 2 house calls. So yeah. All right, y'all, so we just made it, and the 300 is sitting over there. I have not seen the brakes just yet, so let's go see them real quick. Hey. Hey. So we just picked up the car. I didn't get an all-around video because I do have to go get these haircuts done, but I'm about to stop at the gas station and get like some B-roll footage and then show y'all like up close on the brakes. They all look pretty good. He did pretty good. He said the only one that he had a problem with was the front passenger one. I don't know, he said like it didn't want to hold the paint as good as the other ones, but he said he got it to do decent. He said next time he'd probably primer coat them, but I guess he didn't this time, which is fine by me. I mean, I really don't care. But yeah, so right now we're on the way to do these haircuts, and I'll pick y'all up once we get to the gas station.
chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause my jacket checker. Pop one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to me, my.
Alright y'all, so as you can see, we got the red calipers here. If you get up close, obviously you can see what he was talking about. The paint don't hold that good. It looks like we got maybe a little bit dripping at the bottom, but my only, oh, we got a little paint right there, but I mean, hey, I didn't have to do anything but buy the paint, and my papa got it done for the free ski. They all look pretty good. The car looks really good. I think this was a great addition. Shout out Rated R. But yeah, like, it looked good, especially from a distance. It just stands out, especially because I'm trying to buy these 5-spoke rims. This one is a little iffy, like right there, but hey, you can't really beat getting something done for free, and you don't have to do nothing at all, and it's something that nobody will ever see. So yeah, I mean, I really like the brakes. Y'all let me know in the comments what next mod y'all want to see. I'm actually recording a video. It's tomorrow, Saturday. I'm actually recording another video Sunday of another mod that we will be doing. It's a mod that I've done a few times, but I have to keep doing it over and over again because it keeps breaking. But y'all do need to watch that video. So yeah, with that being said, I do have to go do this house call. And if y'all haven't watched the previous video before this one, I did install SRT dashboard pages, track, sport, and custom, and auto, and other things of that nature. If you do want to see what that's about, go watch the video right before this one. And if you want to see another video that you haven't seen yet, go ahead and watch the video where I let my girl drive my car, because that video is doing great views. Earlier I said it was at 1.2K, right now it's at 1.5K. So hopefully it'll be at 2K by the time this video comes out. I think that's gonna be the end of today's video. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we out.